So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you how to lock notes on the Notes app. So once you have your note opened up, which in this case, I'll just go name it locked note. If you wanted to lock this note right here, go to the top right, press on the lock dropdown right here, and then press on where it says lock notes. It'll say lock notes with your login password. So you can do your login password on your computer if you want, or if you want to create a separate password, I'll just go ahead and press create password. Then go ahead and press continue. So make sure if you forget your password, Apple can't reset it and your locked notes can't be recovered. So really make sure if you're locking a note that you're sure what the password is. Press continue. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and just type in dog. Type in dog. Password hint will be woof. And I'll press set password. And you can enable Touch ID if you want. I'm just going to go ahead and press no. And now your note's locked. So as you can tell, your note's locked right here. So if you were to go ahead and just press close all locked accounts, it's now locked. And if you want to get back into it, go ahead and type in your password. In my case, it's DOG. Then it's back opened up. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to lock notes on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.